creamy pistachio and cashew lamb curry, rich, silky, nutty, and utterly indulgent. One of those dishes that makes you close your eyes after the first bite. Welcome back to Burmawala Kitchen, and today we're cooking up something truly special. We're starting with a blend of half a cup of pistachios and half a cup of cashews, finely ground until it forms a buttery, powdery crumble. This will be the heart of our curry's creaminess, luxurious, slightly sweet, and packed with flavour. Next, 4 green chillies, blitzed into a fiery green paste. Don't worry, they're not going to blow your head off, but they'll bring the warmth and a bright zing to balance the richness of the nuts and cream. Now let's turn to the star of the show. 1 kilogram of boneless lamb, cut into bite-sized pieces. To that, we add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder for a sweet floral aroma, tablespoon of black pepper powder for that warm peppery kick, 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds, adding depth and creaminess, 2 tablespoons of dhania jeera, that's ground coriander and cumin, for earthiness, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, just for a touch more heat, 1 tablespoon of garam masala to bring in all those warming spice notes, 1 tablespoon each of garlic powder and ginger powder. We fold in our freshly made green chili paste and give it a good mix. Every piece of lamb should be beautifully coated. This doesn't need hours of marination, just enough time to get the onions started. In a large, heavy-bottomed pan, we heat up a 1/4 cup of oil on medium heat. Once that's shimmering, in go 2 medium onions, finely blitzed in a food processor for speed and consistency. We're frying these gently for around 10 minutes, just until they're soft and golden, not too dark though. We're keeping this curry light in colour and rich in texture, so we don't want any deep browning here. This one has no whole spices, so you won't get a surprise crunch of cardamom or clove halfway through your meal. Just smooth, velvety deliciousness from start to finish. Once the onions are soft and golden, we bring in our marinated lamb. Drop it into the pan and sear it for about 3 to 4 minutes, stirring constantly so nothing sticks. This is where the spices bloom, the lamb starts catching a bit of colour, and your kitchen fills with the most incredible, nutty, spicy aroma. You'll know it's ready when you can't stop yourself from hovering over the pot for just one more sniff. Now, turn the heat right down, and it's time for richness. We gently fold in 1 cup of full-fat yoghurt, spoon by spoon, making sure it doesn't split. Stir slowly and carefully. This adds a smooth, creamy tang and brings the whole curry together. To that, we add just 1 cup of water, not too much. The onions, yogurt, and lamb will release their own moisture, and we want this curry to stay thick and decadent, not soupy. Bring it all to a gentle boil, cover with a lid, and let it simmer away on low heat for 45 minutes. That's it. The lamb is doing all the hard work now, breaking down and becoming buttery soft. And when the time's up, wow. Just lift the lid and take in that smell. The lamb is beautifully tender, the oil has risen to the top, and the sauce is rich and glossy. But we're not done yet. With the heat on low, we now stir in our ground pistachios and cashews from earlier. As they melt into the curry, they turn it into something truly special, creamy, nutty, full of body and warmth. And just when you thought it couldn't get any better, we finish with 1 full cup of double cream. This is the moment everything comes together. The curry transforms into a thick, velvety masterpiece, rich without being too heavy, spicy without being overwhelming. Give it 1 last stir, pop the lid back on, and let it rest on the lowest heat for 5 minutes, just to let the flavours settle and mingle. Now, take a look at that. Our creamy pistachio and cashew lamb curry is ready, and it's absolutely divine. The lamb is meltingly tender, coated in that luxurious sauce. Every bite is soft, spiced, nutty, and oh so satisfying. Let's garnish with a generous sprinkle of fresh coriander and a few thin slices of green chilli, just for that finishing sparkle and a final little kick. And there you have it. A curry that's creamy, nutty, aromatic, and perfect for special occasions, or just a Tuesday night when you want something extra. It might look like a restaurant dish, but you saw how simple it was. A few easy steps, one pot, and it's all done in just about an hour. This one also freezes beautifully. Make a big batch, portion it out, and dinner is sorted for the week. Serve it with buttery rotis, soft parathas, steamed basmati rice, or even, dare I say, creamy mashed potatoes. You do you. And before you go, a little teaser. We've got something exciting coming soon from Burmawala Kitchen, a brand new product that'll bring all these big, bold flavors straight to your kitchen with almost zero effort. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the reveal. As always, full recipe and instructions are in the description below. From our Burmawala kitchen to yours, happy cooking.